Good AM. Today is March 25, 2024 Monday, and here are the 10:30 AM SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 25, 2024 Monday. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 AM draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Monday, March 25, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of March 25, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.